Hello, the machine next to me is specialized equipment designed for machining V16-cylinder diesel engine. It is developed for fine machining of large diesel engine bores used in industries like marine engine assemblies. This machine is for precision boring of crankshaft bores, camshaft bores, and similar processes. It is a high-precision, high-efficiency metal cutting tool. The machine tool consists of the base, side bed, fixtures, movable boring template frame, processing area enclosure, CNC feed slide, tool post, precision boring bar, precision boring head with vibration sensor, and hydraulic electrical control systems. Key features of this precision boring machine are high efficiency, high precision, and strong specialization. The arrangement of cutting and machine tools is designed for V-type diesel engine blocks, for semi-finishing, and finishing the crankshaft and camshaft bores in large diesel engine blocks. After loading the workpiece, one button starts the process, enabling multi-axis machining, with all steps done together.